session. Yeah. First, let's start from the palm tree actually. So in Tamil we say Panai Maram. So why I started this tree first means this tree is like having a zero maintenance. Um, and one more thing about the specialty of this tree is from the trunk, leaf, fruit, everything is usable to humans actually. Actually, there is a Tamil poet Kannadasan who mentioned find a friend like palm tree. He mentioned because a good friend, what he does is like he don't expect anything from his friend, but he do everything to his friend. That's what he meant. Find a friend like palm tree. So like that, there is no not even to sow this tree in ground actually. This seed is this tree is having property of spreading on its own. Once its fruits are ripe, right, and the seeds will fall down, and it starts sprout from the ground. And you have never seen a guy who watered palm tree actually. So there is no need for watering this palm tree. And the use of palm tree is like we get palm fruit and palm sprouts we bake and eat. We bake or directly eat it in fire and eat. And we get padanir actually. Yeah, drink from the leaves actually, palm leaves. And this orange part is there, right? This is the ripened palm fruit actually. What we do is we directly heat it in fire and we can chew the fibers. So it has some pulp actually with sweet content. So once after this fruit, after this consuming this fruit, we can sow the seeds. Then it will sprout and become a tree. One more thing I want to share is like there is another Tamil proverb. Uh, um, தென்னைய வச்சவன் தின்னுட்டு சாவான், பனைய வச்சவன் பார்த்துட்டே சாவான். Which means the guy who planted the coconut tree, right? He will get a yield from a coconut tree starts yielding from 3 years to 7 years, depends upon the um, variety. But the palm trees, right, the Palmyra palm, it starts to shoot it fruits after 10 to 15 years. So that's why they mentioned that the guy who planted coconut trees, he will get yield in his lifetime, and he will die. But the guy who planted a palm tree, right, until his lifetime, he will see the palm tree growing, but it does not give the yield to him. Only the next generations who planted by the guy who planted that, they will enjoy the benefits of palm tree, like getting fruits and drinks and palm sprout. Even we use the palm leaf for building our huts. And one more thing I want to mention is like this palm tree is not only giving uses for humans, it's also helpful for birds actually. In this slide, this bird is there, right? This bird's name is in Tamil. It's Panai Ulavaran. It is named after this tree only because this bird lives in palm tree only. The English name is Asian palm swift. So they named after this tree because this bird only lives in palm tree alone. So that's why. This is another kind of bird which nest in palm tree actually. Depends on the season. It gives the opening of its nest. Then at the bottom you can see the boxes, right? The palm seed boxes. So we have many uses of we used to weave many products from palm leaves actually. These kind of boxes and palm maps, palm leaf mat, and even some people are making palm leaf pots actually. We can store water in it. How they are making is getting fibers from the coconut. And this leaf stem is there, right? So they used to get the fibers from the stem, and they are making the palm leaf pots also. So there are many various varieties of uses from this tree actually. And one more specialty of this tree is the state tree of Tamil Nadu. Um, so that's all about palm tree. And if you want to plant this palm tree, right, you need to find the palm fruits in during its season. Its season is around during August and September. So in this season only you get the fruits actually. Before that we get palm only, right? So during August and September only it becomes ripe, and we start sowing in lakes and riverbeds. So what it does is, like, it has a fibrous root system like a brush. So what it does, it prevents the soil erosion in the lake bunds. So that's why we people plant the palm leaf seeds in seeds in lake bunds. So that's all about palm tree. And the second one, um, actually, I like this tree, this pungai tree next to palm leaf actually. So this one, what does is, if you take other species of trees, right? What it does is, if there is a dense of tree only, there will be, it will give you the chillness. Some trees, right? The leaf structure. So what it does is, it will not protect us from direct sunlight, because it might have very small leaves or very less denser leaves. So what it does is, it will not give us that most chillness. And this Indian beech tree, right? This one gives that a single tree can give us a proper shadow and chillness about it. And yep, the identification of this tree, right? So how we can identify easily is, its leaves has some white patches around it. It's a common disease amongst this tree. So this is a very common tree which is growing in our country in every places, and almost all kind of soil. And it stand where the water is less, right? If the land is very dry, also it will withstand and grow well actually. This is the seed of this tree. And if we speak about this seed, means we can extract biodiesel from this tree. uh, in in olden days, people use this seed as, they make it as powder, and make it they used as a shampoo also. Yeah, natural shampoo. So those are the use of this tree. So if you want to grow this seeds, right? Usually this tree gives seeds during February and April month, and during February to April month. So those time you can collect the seeds of this tree, and you start growing this sapling. You can directly sow in soil in a milk cover, so it will start sprout and easily grow. And another specialty of this tree is, this is the second most oxygen producer after bamboo, right? This is the second most oxygen producer. In our plantations also, we used to plant many saplings. Hello. In our plantations, we used to plant, if we are planting around the 50 trees, right? The more count will occupy this tree, because it is the most oxygen producer, and it gives more chillness. If you see in most of the schools, right? Especially in government schools, they used to plant this tree. In olden days, actually, we have a class outside of the rooms, right? So those days, they took class under this tree only. So these are the specialty of this pungai tree, Indian beech tree. So before moving to next tree, I want to show you a video of a song actually. It's sung by Amma Nanjamma, who belongs to tribal community, lives in Kerala. So she sung about this tree. Actually, she sung this song in irregular language. So once the song finishes, right, I will explain the meaning of that song. So let's listen this song.
Malakata sandana mera bagu baga putur ko apu parika pogila mogi mena te pakila mo. Malakata sandana mera bagu baga putur ko apu parika pogila mogi Parika pogila mogi mena te pakila mo. Le 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 lo. Le 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 lo. Paraka bunga mera. Parika pogila mogi. Paraka bunga mera buga puturko. Parika pogila mogi mena te pakila mo. Le 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 lo. Le 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 lo. Parika pogila mogi mena te pakila mo.
Yeah. Hello. In this song, right? She sung about three trees actually. First, what she mentioned is like in the west direction, sandal tree has started flowering, and shall we go to pluck the flower and see the flight over there? So, like that, she mentioned sandalwood tree and the Indian beech tree. And the third one she mentioned is Naramaram. Actually, she mentioned in irregular language. So I still find trying to find what tree it is through my system. So why I played this song is this song, right? This song shows the bonding between humans and trees. Actually, so this is what we missed. The people who are living in cities, right? So this is what we are missing. We not even knows the tree's name, which is planted or which is growing nearby our places. If you go to any village, if you see any tree, if you ask any people over there, they might know about the tree name and the use of the tree also. So this is what we missed, and this is the song which is an example. We want to know our saplings which belongs to our soil or our region. So then we can if we once we understand the trees, right? So then we won't make any harm to the trees. So and also we start to grow it also. So that's why I played this song. So
ம்ஹ்ம்.
I'm moving to the next thing. Yeah, Dinesh.
ஆ, உங்க வாய்ஸ்ல கொஞ்சம் ஆசிலேஷன் இருக்கு. லைக் லோ ஆகுது, ஹை ஆகுது. மைக்கை வந்து ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்ட்ல வச்சு பேச ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. தென் வேற யாரையாவது மியூட் பண்ணாம இருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ப்ளீஸ் மியூட் யுவர் செல்ஃப். வி ஆர் கெட்டிங் சம் பேக்ரவுண்ட் நாய்ஸஸ். மோகன் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க.
Dinesh, now it's okay.
யா, இட்ஸ் ஃபைன்.
Okay. Actually, if you want to listen this song, right? This song is released in the Malayalam movie Ayappanam and Koshim. So if you want, you can go to YouTube and listen this song. If you want to listen, understand the lyrics, what she sang about. Okay. The next tree in our session is Alinjal. The another name of this tree is Air Alinjal in Tamil actually. In English, it names hillsack tree. So the identification of this tree is right. The leaves has a elongated oval shape. If you see in the first photo, in the top left right corner, that leaf is a oval, elongated oval, and the fruit is in red color, right? Usually the fruit size will be in normal goli size. So that's how we can find this tree. And the bark of this tree you can see in at the middle top picture. It looks like a normal tree bark. And one more thing about this tree identification is like this tree has common disease like this. Yeah, a small proportion of will be attacking this trees actually. And it has a white flower. It's a very tiny flower. It used to flower during April month actually. So during June, May end till June, you will get the fruits. We can eat this fruit raw actually. It has very less pulp like palm fruit itself. So we can eat this fruit. And use of this, if we go to use of the tree means first one is like uh, people use the stick of a tree. They make like a needle, and what they do is for cattle we used to punch the nose, right, to tie the ropes to control the cattle, either cow or goats. So people use this tree stick to punch the nose of cattle. Why? Because it is a it has a property of antibacterial thing. So that's why people are using this tree stick to punch the nose of cattle. And one more use of the stick is like when people are making dried salted meat, right? In Tamil we say uppukandam. So that time what they do is they take a thread and they join meat in the thread, and they hang it in a place where sunshine is there. So in that process, this stick needle is they are using. They make like a needle, and they use to punch meats and to prepare dried salted meat. And one more use of this stick is like in Tamil month we say Adi Masam, Adi month actually. During that month, right, on Adi first we used to say, follow a tradition of baking a coconut in direct fire. So what we do is we stuff some rice and dal in inside coconut by making a hole in the. If you remove the fiber parts from coconut, there will be three spots. One you can punch directly. So through that hole we stuff the rice and the dal and some sugar in it. And what we do is in the bottom left picture you can see the stick, right, with the guy. So we fix that stick at the hole to close the hole, and what we do is we directly show that coconut to fire. So during that time, people still using this tree, Alinjal tree stick, as tradition. So these are the uses of this tree. And one more thing is like in farming, right? What we do is a process is there to for seeds prevent to preventing infection of seeds. In Tamil we say vidai nerti murai. In that process to prevent fungal infections or to improve the quality of the seeds, what they do is they use this leaves in that process, in the vidai nerti process actually. So they mix the leaves with the seeds to prevent fungal infections. So these are the use of this tree. And one more information about this tree is like there is a rumor that the seeds of the tree somehow goes and stick to the tree automatically. In the middle top picture, right, you can see that it looks like some eggs in the tree. Some eggs is stick to the tree, but those are the seeds which is stick to the tree. There is a rumor that the seed is automatically going and joining the mother stem actually, but that is not true actually. Yes, insect is some kind of insect. What it does is it drags the fruit through the tree, and it is sticking to the tree. You can see some soil over there, right? So it sticks the seeds in the stem, and what it is doing is it is eating the pulp inside the seed, and it's leaving the outer shell of the seed. So that's how the seeds are getting stick to the tree. And growing this kind of sapling is also easy. You can directly sow this seed in soil, and it will start to shoot sprout. And another this tree actually, what I read is this tree is spreading through its roots also. So why? Because most of the seeds are getting stick to the tree, right? Most of the seeds are eaten by insects. So the spreading of these trees through seeds is very less actually. This belongs to a tropical region. Tropical region means where a place is a dry place, right, with less moisture in the soil. So in that kind of soil also these trees grow. Okay, let's move on to the next tree. Hello, someone speaking? Okay. Next tree is Porasu in Tamil. The common name of this tree is flame of forest. The name itself says the flame, right? If you see this flowers, it resembles the a flame which is glowing, right? In forest, if you see during January month, right, this tree starts to flower. So if you see this tree from long distance, it resembles a fire is some place is getting fired. So that's why they named the tree as a flame of forest. So easy identification of this tree is like if you see the leaf part, the bottom left picture, each stick has three leaves in it. So this is the easy identification of this tree during its non-flowering period actually. So with these three leaves itself, you can find that this tree is Porosu, the flame of forest tree. And the seeds looks like this, a elongated oval shape and with like sandal color. This is how this tree looks. Only during flowering period we can easily identify this tree. And the use of this tree is like people extract oil from these seeds. So it is mentioned as kino oil. So this tree has another name. Why? Because we extract this kino oil, right? So people say kino tree. This oil is used in soap making and dyes, and we can make biodiesels also from this seeds. And the specialty of this tree is this tree is state tree of Jharkhand state. And another specialty is like some trees, right? It some in some places the people named the cities after trees. So likewise in Chennai there is an area called Porosai Vakam. So that area is named after this tree Porosu. So Porosai Vakam, which means in previous day, actually nowadays we lost many trees in everywhere, right? So that's how we lost this Porosu tree in that area also. So previously this tree might be spread through that area. So people might have named that area as Porosai Vakam. So that's what the specialty of this tree. And this tree is used in skin diseases. And another uses is like we can make you people might have used stitched leaves, right, for eating food. Some leaves might be joined through some sticks, and people used to eat food in that stitched leaves. So for that purpose they used these leaves, because these leaves, right, it will be somewhat rough and thick. So people has used this leaf for stitching leaves. And another use is like for bead making. For bead making people use these leaves. And the once we extract the oil from the seeds, right, the seed cake we use as biomanure for in our farm fields. So those are the uses of this tree. And somewhere I heard that still tribals are planting the trees in their borders. So to segregate their borders, right, they are using these trees, and they are planting in their each of the borders. So that's what I heard from a friend. So the next one, the next one is Kalyana Murungai tree. In Tamil, we call Kalyana Murungai. The common name in English is Indian coral tree. So if we look at this entities, this tree is also somewhat similar to Porosa tree. So how is like this? If you look at the leaf part in the first picture, in the top left picture, uh, in this each stick is having three leaf, right? But the difference between the how to differentiate these two trees, right? Uh, if you see here where I'm pointing, this leaf has some spike at the edge, right? If you see in Porous, it won't be there. If you see in any leaf, it just ends as a round shape. So that's how you can differentiate between the flame of forest tree and Indian coral tree. If the three leaves has spike, it is Indian coral tree. And the flowers almost looks like similar only. These flowers, right, if you can see in the picture. So how many birds are having honey from the flower? So these are this is the specialty of these two trees. And if you see the fruit part, it looks like brown colored beans. So the seeds also resembles the beans. And this tree, the Flama forest doesn't have thorns in it, but this coral tree has small black colored thorns in it. So this is how we can identify this tree. The use of this tree is like we make idlis, right? So in the idli pot, we what we used to do is we put some idli, cotton cloth, and we put the idli flour on the cloth to bake the idli, right? Instead of using the idli cloth, we can use this leaves directly in each pot, and we can put idli flour, and we can make idlis. And another use is like we can directly grind this leaf with rice also to make dosas and idlis. This cures cold and cough, and almost it cures the stomach related problems, and it cures also ulcer. So these are the uses of this tree. And if, if someone of you remember, means in Tamil we say sudu kottai, right? What we do, we rub these seeds in rough surface as or stone. What we do is, if a person is sitting nearby, we after rubbing the seeds in the surface, what we do is we keep the seeds in the surface, skin surface. So so we feel that some heat in that seeds. So that's why we say this is sudu kottai in Tamil. So children used to play with these seeds. They rub it in the surface, and they will um, like touch their friends with the seeds to give them the feel of heat. So this is how children play in with these seeds. So these are the uses of these seeds. So and this tree is also almost easily grown tree. If you sow these seeds directly in soil, it will come. So why I'm saying repeating this steps actually to how to grow it. Some seeds, right, it won't sprout if you see directly sow the seed in soil. So that's why I'm mentioning how to grow it. If you want in future, you can use the steps. So this seeds also we can easily grow from directly sowing in soil. The next part is Natukaravelam. So we need to know about this tree very much actually. Okay. This is Natukaravelam in Tamil. In English, it is sorry, the common name is not in this slide. It is bubble tree. So we are buying bubble paste, right? So that's what bubble tree actually. So in this here it is the bubble common name. So the specialty of this tree is this one is actually different from the one what we see usually in our place, Seemakervelum or acacia tree. So this is somewhat different from that tree, which absorbs more water from the moisture and land also. How to identify this tree is like uh, this tree has white thorns. If you see the bottom left picture, the thorns are white, right? But in acacia tree, which is came from other places to India, so that one has green thorns. But this tree from young onwards, it shoots white thorns only. And there is a difference between flower also. If you see the middle top picture, so there the difference is shown between the flowers. So the Natukaravelam tree, the bubble tree flowers looks like a ball, badminton ball. It's in round shape. But if you see the Seemakervelam, the acacia tree flower, it looks like a bottle cleaner. It's in so it looks like a bottle cleaner. And if you see the pods of this tree, so it will be in green color. So this is the pod of this tree. Other names fruit of this tree. So this is how you can differentiate between Natukaravelam, the bubble tree, and acacia tree. And this is also grow in uh, where the places has less moisture in the soil, right? And this tree will grow in that place also. If we okay, let's see the uses of this plant. So Natukaravelam, right? The first use is like if you see in the top right picture, it's mentioned as gum, right? People usually make a scratch in the bark of this tree and extract the gum from this tree. So these gums, right? We directly you can use it as gum actually, a natural gum. In olden days, in post offices, we used to paste our post covers, right? We can directly use this gums. What we need to do is we need to put the gum in water, so it will make like it will become like a paste. We can use this to paste our post covers. And another use of this gum is this will be used in paint making and dye makings. And another use of this gum is in olden days people used to build wooden boats, right? So while they are connecting wooden logs, they used to tie with the rope. So before tying the rope, what they do is they just dip the rope in this gum to bring it more roughness and grip. It gives some grip. If you see people who are stitching our sandals, right, they used to wax the thread before stitching, so to give the gripness. So that is a artificial made wax, but this is the natural wax coming from the tree, so which we used to tie a knot to construct a boat. So this is what the use of the gum. So if you take this parts, this will be used in poultry, and many cattle used to eat this leaf and fruits. Especially cows and goats eat this seeds, eat this fruit. And this is how this tree is spreading across the lake buns. And because cows used to roam in every places, right? Once they eat this fruit, the seeds won't get digest, and it will be coming in cow dung or goat dung. Then later when it is getting moisture, it starts sprout, and it grows in almost in lake buns and everywhere. And another most important of this thorn tree. If in some places we can't plant thorn trees, right? But this thorn type of tree is also important. Why? Because a bird is there. Its name is brown shrike. In Tamil we say Paluppu Kichan. So that bird, in Tamil, another name is there for that bird, that brown shrike. We say Kasapu Kuruvi. Kasapu means slaughtering. So why they named that bird as Kasapu Kuruvi is like this bird, right? What it does is like it catches its prey, and it will come and kill its prey by hanging it on these thorns. Once the prey is dead, they will start to eat part by part. So that's why they named this bird as a Kasapu Kuruvi, like a slaughtering bird in if we translate in English. So that's how it is useful for birds also. And one more useful thing for birds is, right, if we let's say take example of cranes and the flying pattern of the cranes, right? What it does is like it will take up like a flight only, and when it getting down also, it comes like a flight and sits on the surface. So it can't fly like a crow or another birds which is going inside a tree. So to build its nest, right, it needs a top surface only. It can't go and build its nests on the some part of branches inside the tree. So it needs some flat surface on the top of the top, right? So these trees, if you look at the bottom picture, and this thorn type of trees look almost grows like an umbrella. So it gives a natural flat surface to nest to nest its eggs actually. And one more thing use of this nesting in thorn trees, right, to protect its bird from predators. Most of the birds chooses this tree to build their nest. So these are the uses of this tree. And these trees also can easily grown from seeds once we directly sow in soil actually. This seeds doesn't need any prerequisite to done before sowing in soil. On to the next one. Okay. Next one is naval tree. In Tamil we say naval, and in English jamun tree. The common name is jamun. The easy identification of this tree is like this leaf, right? This leaf doesn't has any veins, the side veins in it. If you see the picture where I'm pointing, the middle bottom one. So those leaves, right? It has a small spike in it and elongated oval shape. It flowers looks like small, not even small, tiny white flowers. So this is how this flowers looks like. These trees also can be grown in our most places of our country. And the easy identification of this tree is like, if you see the stem part, right, it looks like a, white stem. So that's how we can easily identify this novel jamun tree. And uses of these trees, let's say first we take from the stem. So in organic stores, if you go, there will be an insulin tumbler made in wood actually. So they made that tumbler, that insulin tumbler, in this novel wood only. So why they are calling it as insulin tumbler means, what they say is like, if you pour water in the tumbler, in the wooden tumbler, if you drink that water next day, your insulin level will get balanced. So that's why they are using this tree wood as insulin tumbler. Why? Because this tree naturally has a sour taste in it. Why we are getting diabetes, right? We people nowadays, we are not taking the sour taste in our food. So that's why we people are getting like insulin problems. So in this tree, right, that sour taste is naturally there. If we consume this fruit also gives a little sourness in the yeah, sour taste. So that's why we control our insulin level in our body with these fruits. And another use of this tree is like, this trees doesn't get has a property of water resistant. So in olden days, we used to lay railway tracks in wood only, right? In those days, people used this tree also to lay the railway tracks. Another use is like, we construct motor beds, right? Water pump motors. So where some moisture is there. So in that place also, our people use this stem as motor beds. These are the uses of this tree. Let's and how to grow is like, these seeds also can be easily grown from directly sowing in soil. And if you want to grow this tree means, directly you can, whatever the fruits you are eating, right, you need to preserve the seeds. These seeds, if it's get dry, it won't these seeds will get spoiled in easily in a few days, in 2 or 3 days also. So once it is fresh itself, we need to sow it and grow the seeds. Let's move on to next one. This one. This tree is Neer Marudu in Tamil. In English, Arjuna tree. In Tamil, let's say Neer Marudu, right? Neer means water. And the name itself says this tree has some connection between water and this, right? So these trees, how we can identify easily, the first part. So if you see the left picture, the stem looks like in white color, right? Um, as I say, in some places, people named the trees places, right? In Tamil Nadu, there is a place, Thiruvenkadu. Thiruvenkadu. Ven means white, so Kadu means forest. Obviously, that place might be filled with the trees which is in white color. So if we take this one, this Arjuna tree is having the white color stem, right? So this tree might be grown spread across those area, that Thiruvenkadu. So they people named that place as with this tree. If you this trees, right, it grows very huge actually. If you go to any forest, you can spot this tree with um, very huge stem. Usually 5 people or 6 people can hold a tree, hold a single tree. We need to form a chain, and we can hold a tree. So that much big tree it will come. The uses of this tree is like, it balances the blood pressure in our body. We need to make some process from this parts of this tree, and it balances our blood pressure in the body. And one more thing is, people make paste from this bark of this tree, and it can be used in bone fracture treatment. So these leaves, right? These leaves can be eaten by cattle, like goats and cows eat these leaves. So people who are raising their cattle, right? They used to feed these leaves to their cattle. And some of the uses. These are the uses of this tree. And as I say before, there's a connection between this tree and water, right? Some trees, let's take neem. So those kind of some variety of trees won't survive in where the places which has more water in the soil. So, but this tree, Arjuna tree, right? So this tree will grow even in along the river streams, even in the inside the water river also it will grow actually. People go to Tirunelveli, which is southern part of Tamil Nadu, so those places has many trees of this species. You can see the trees which grown inside the river also, from the river bund, right? We can see very huge trees in that places. So these are the use and identification of this tree. And you can see the seeds. Seeds are fruits actually. This is fruit of this tree, and within this fruit, seeds will be there. And we can't. It is a very difficult process to remove the seeds from this fruit, because this fruit is made of very hard fiber. So, but if you want to grow this tree seed, right? We can't. It will. These seeds will take some time to give the sprout. Why? Because this has very hard fibers. So we need to do some pre process, like we can put the seeds in cow dung solution. What we need to do is we need to mix some amount of cow dung in water and make it a solution. We can put the seeds in this in that, and later we can after 15 or 20 days we can sow the seeds in the soil. So later it will be shoot its leaves, and it will start to grow. So this is how we can see about the Marudu tree. So next one. Okay. Poovarasa tree, Indian tulip tree. In the name, it's the Tamil name, like Poovarasa. Poo means flower actually. Why they named this tree with this name Poovarasa means this tree has a very beautiful flower. You can see in the top left part, right? This is the fruit of this, and this is the flower of this tree. And the identification of the leaf is like yeah, it looks like an exact heart in shape. If you look at the bottom left picture, you can see the leaf shape. It has exactly the heart in shape. So this is how you can spot this tree. And uses of, if you see the use of this tree means this tree is very useful in skin disease curing. Like these fruits, right? If you break this fruit, it will give you a yellow resin. So you can directly apply that resin in the wound scars. So it will make disappear our wound scars. So this is how this tree is using for curing skin diseases. And people used to say we can cure leprosy also from this tree bark actually. For that and all, we need to make some process. So without knowing the proper process, we can't go actually. So and one more use of this tree with human is it is a most valuable timber tree. We people used to make door and windows for our homes, right? Most of the people use this wood as to construct the frame of our door and windows, because it has a more stronger wood. So that's why we people use it as. This is the seed of this tree, and this seeds also very easily can grown from. The seeds doesn't require any pre-process. We can directly sow in soil and grow it, and germination of the seeds also will be very good. If you sow four seeds also, it will give you three shoots actually. Some seeds, right? Let's say Arjuna tree. If you sow 10 seeds, it will give you 2 or 3. The germination rates will be very less for Arjuna tree. For this one, it will give you more germination rate. Okay, let's move to the next one. Neem tree. In Tamil, we say Vepamaram. So for neem tree, I don't want to every people might come across this tree. So let's directly go to the use of this tree. If we take uses means like palm tree, from the stem till the leaf and the fruits, everything will be used. So we people, what we do is we put the leaves in the rice storage place to prevent bugs to some bugs will come to the rice storage place, right? If we put these leaves, it prevents the bugs actually. We can we people, what we do is we use the sticks to brush our teeth in olden days. So still people are using this stick as a brush actually. And we can make extract oil from this tree seed. So that oil will be used as a natural pesticide, uh, like instead of organic pesticide. And we people use the neem cake, the the remaining part of the once we extract the oil, the content of the seeds will be there, right? We use as a organic manure in terrace garden, and even in farming also we people used to as organic manure. So those are the use of this tree.
Hi Morgan, this is Vinod.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, thanks for the excellent presentation. I mean, this was really well prepared and well presented. Appreciate
Thank you,
your
Vinod.
things. But I have a question here. I mean, all these trees are like you are talking about how it is useful to humans, like how it will be useful to us, everything. So, I mean, what made you prepare in this manner? Like it has to, we have to grow trees because it will be useful for us. Is it the concept behind this, or like?
Uh, no, actually, to understand how it is useful for human only, I mean that. But somehow these trees, right? It is helpful for our environment also. If you take some of the trees like um, what we say, Carvalum, right? It is useful for birds also. So it is creating an ecosystem around us, right? So that's how I made these trees. But we people want to understand how it is useful for humans. That's why I went this in way, this way.
I mean, that's what exactly my point was. Like, if we are growing things that are only useful to us, then we are actually doing everybody does, no?
Oh,
Like, people are creating apartments and they've planted 5 trees, so they are no better than us. So I was just trying to understand, like,
no,
how
actually,
this.
these trees are useful for environments also.
Okay.
Like
I mean,
I
if you can some focus more on some trees which are not useful to us, but
yeah.
are better for the ecosystems, then it would make more sense for people to, okay,
Yeah,
know
in
things, no?
later on sessions, right? I'll explain. Actually, in this session, I couldn't cover it. Cover it. If you take a tree is there, Madras thorn, so or a monkey pot. So those kind of trees, right? How it is useful for environment is like two varieties of butterflies lays its larva in those trees only. So if we want to create an ecosystem, we need to grow that kind of trees also. So that I need to cover. You know,
Would be great. Thank you so much.
yeah.
லீலா ராஜன் சொல்லிட்டு ஒருத்தவங்க கேள்வி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. I believe there are 37 varieties of Palmyra trees in Tamil Nadu. How varies from one from another?
Actually, I'm not aware of many variety of palm trees. Actually, I know only Palmyra Palmyra palm and Kundal Panai, another thing. So I just need to know about more varieties.
How can we differentiate the trees?
Differentiate. So differentiate in identification part. Uh, Differentiation, I am not sure, Dinesh, because I didn't see those many varieties of palm trees. I know, but there are many varieties of palm, but I don't see those many varieties,
Okay.
and I don't know much details about more varieties of palm.
Okay.
If anyone knows about more varieties of palm, let them answer, Dinesh. If any participants want to share,
For sure.
let's give them a try.
Anyone has knowledge on it, they can share over here by unmuting themselves. If not, we will move on to next question. Fine, I'm moving on to next question. People always scared to plant palm trees in house. Is there any specific reasons for that? This is for the seventh question.
Um, No, actually, like how still now I'm not aware of how people are scared to grow palm trees. So as I said, they might think that anyway it is giving a yield after so many years, right? Around 10 to 15 years, right? So instead of planting palm trees, people might shift to another trees. But we can grow palm trees in our place also, like coconut trees, right? So that place only needs for this palm tree also. If we want to grow palm trees, we can grow,
Fine.
but we need to wait for the fruits for more years. It does not make any harm to our home actually.
Fine.
The roots also will be in very less place, around uh, like 5 to 6 like 10 square feet, we can say 10 square feet. It takes that much area only.
Okay, fine.
The roots won't spread that much.
The next question is, can you suggest trees which can be planted at home, which does not have any impact on buildings, except
Yeah. If we want to, yeah. If you want, let's say, if you want to plant near home, right? Anyway, we need to leave around 4 to 5 feet from our wall actually. So that's how we can protect our home. It depends, Dinesh, actually. Depends on the space how we have. Yeah, trees, some trees, like I want to suggest Indian beech tree. So if we have more space where the place we are going to plant, right? We can go to Indian plant Indian beech tree, or else we can grow like mandari tree. So it is also our native tree. It doesn't take so much place after once it grows very tall, and it will be very lean. So we can choose mandari tree. So these two are my suggestions. So depends on the space only we can decide now. Dinesh.
next question. Kudai maram. How we can identify it?
Could I?
Kudai maram. Like someone mentioned, I think it is Kurugal Panpata. Whoever posted the question, Kudai maram, how can we identify? They can raise the questions directly because we can, so that we can understand the question clearly.
அண்ணா ஹலோ
சொல்லுங்க.
அண்ணா நம்ம கருவ மரம் இருக்குல்ல, நாட்டு கருவ மாதிரியே தான்
ஆமா.
குடை மரம் இருக்குன்றாங்க. அது எதுவும் நீங்க
Correct.
பாத்திருக்கீங்களா?
இல்ல.
அது
கரெக்ட், நான் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். குடை வேலம் சொல்றீங்க, கரெக்டா?
ஆமாண்ணா.
நானும் இன்னும் நேர்ல குடை வேலம் நான் பார்த்தது இல்ல.
ஓ
நேர்ல
சரிண்ணா.
இன்னும் பார்த்தது இல்ல, கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். பட் குடை வேலம் நேர்ல பார்த்தது.
மோகன், திருநெல்வேலி சைடு நம்ம போறப்போ பார்த்தது என்ன மரம்? அது குடை மாதிரி தானே இருந்துச்சு. குடைவேலம் தான் நினைக்கிறேன். திருநெல்வேலி இவங்க ஹரி வீட்டுக்கு போற வழியில பார்த்தா இருக்கா?
சரியா ஞாபகம் இல்ல.
நன்றிண்ணா.
Any other questions?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, regarding the palms, right? Palm trees. Actually, I don't know if there are I don't know about the varieties of Palmyra, but Palmyra is the toddy palm, what we say. So there can be different varieties of palm trees. So if you want to know the differentiation between them is based on the type of fruits they bear, or probably the type of leaf structure they have, or the sort of leaf shape, the branches that can differentiate the different types of palm. So if I don't know if 37 varieties of palm is the thing, or 37 varieties of Palmyra. So that way.
Yeah.
That's just one thing I wanted to add.
Say the varieties of palm only. Palmyra palm is the palm one which is we can see in our place.
Exactly. That is the state. Yeah, that is the state tree of Tamil Nadu. That is toddy palm. So if 37 varieties of palm are nothing but coconut tree, or
Exactly.
you can all those varieties of palm. So that can be the thing.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Agosta. Do we have any other questions? Fine.
Jatin, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically, the people who has like quite a good little bit of space or bigger space, like suburban area, they can think of trees. So, is there anything for the city dwellers, like sitting in, like staying in apartments? So, like mostly today we spoke for trees. So, anything plants, which like herbal trees or herbal saplings or something that city dwellers can start with, to like connect with of environment that is possible. So anything that they can plant in balconies or
Yeah,
there in home, the,
yeah,
like tables and all that. So
yeah.
anything so
We
which
can
are like
easily. Yeah, you want me
yeah.
to suggest some herbs, right?
Yeah, something herbs, like
Yeah.
mostly we get like those ornamental plants,
Mhm.
which sort of everything is like
Like
look
we
good
can even
together.
start with aloe vera itself. Aloe vera will be useful for us in many ways. Aloe vera. That is so that's also we can start, and tulsi. So we can, if we want to grow a sapling, right? There won't be
Yeah.
space in. There should be some space in our heart first. So that's how I can say. So people can
So
start like
that is
very
what.
common, like yeah. No, I'm just
Yeah.
not mentioning you. That like I'm saying
Yeah.
your point is correct, because many people who are staying in city sites, right? They're not coming forward to plant a sapling. So that's why you mentioned. So they can start like even with a small damaged pot also they can use to grow a sapling, right? Like aloe vera or tulsi or we can say vallarai. So there are many type of herbals which we are seeing around our place. So those kind of herbs we can start growing.
Do we have any other questions? Fine. We came to conclusion of the session. Thanks everyone for joining for this session. Hope it was wonderful and well informative.
Thanks everyone for joining.